Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to create the YouTube thumbnail for free, fast and very easy. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So here to create that thumbnail, I will use this ChatGPT, and don't worry guys, because you can also keep creating it by using the ChatGPT for the everyday task, or you don't have to upgrade it into the ChatGPT Plus, but don't forget to do the login first with your email. And after that, this will be the homepage of this ChatGPT, and here I prefer to open it with my PC or via website to get more spacious view. And after that, you can open the sidebar and you can go to the GPTs over here. That will give you or show you a lot of GPTs or the specialties GPT or special AI that will help you to create a certain thing. And since we would like to create the thumbnail, I will go to this DALL-E. You can click this category, and after that you can go to this section, and there you go. There will be two GPTs that will help you to create the thumbnail. And for example, I will try to create the thumbnail from this GPT's Thumbnail Maker 4.0, and it will usually direct you into this. It's like the introduction and also the rating, and if you would like to start off the conversation, you can choose this conversation starters or click this. And after that, it will direct you into this section. For example, I will type create me a YouTube thumbnail about the future in 2020 45, for example, and you can enter it and kindly wait for this thumbnail maker to give you the detail. As you can see that the response will be the image type, setting, main subject, text placement and style, and overall mood. And you can start to respond this. Shall I spin this vision into the actual thumbnail image for you? And I will continue to respond yes. And kindly wait for this thumbnail maker respond the conversation into the picture. And kindly wait for a while until the picture is shown down here. And if you have any another suggestion or another platform that can help us to create a thumbnail like this as good as ChatGPT, please don't worry guys to suggest us on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there and create the video in another version. Oh, isn't that cool, right? So you can start to open this and you can also download it. And let's see the result. Okay, there is not any watermark over here. Isn't that cool, right? So don't forget to try this GPT to create your own video YouTube thumbnail. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.